Welcome to the AI testing series. This is session 00, your roadmap for the next 6 weeks, plus the 4 guardrails that keep your AI usage safe, measurable, and actually useful. Before we touch any test code, we lock in the rules of engagement. The course runs 12 sessions across 6 weeks. Weeks 1 and 2 build your testing and automation foundations. Weeks 3 and 4 cover specification, test design, playwright UI automation, and API testing. Weeks 5 and 6 bring CI and CD pipelines, governance, security, and a capstone where you present your tool choice and demo a failure mode you discovered. Rule number 1, never feed internal source code, customer data, tokens, cookies, or passwords into a public AI tool. Training data can leak, prompts can be replayed, and once a secret is shared, you cannot unshare it. Until you know your company's AI policy, use demo applications and synthetic data, and document the decision either way. For every AI output, ask 4 questions before you trust it. Does it match the actual requirement, or did it solve a different problem? Are the preconditions and expected results measurable, or are they vague? Did the code actually run, with real output you have read? And does the change leak data or skip a known risk? Skip one question, and a subtle bug ships to production. Every skill you build here follows the same loop. First, understand, explain the concept in your own words without looking at notes. Second, do the exercise without copy-pasting. Third, check, run the test and read the log. Do not just glance at the green check mark. Fourth, fix the root cause, never add a retry to mask it. Fifth, document the decision, the prompt that worked, and the prompt that lied to you. By session 12, you should ship at least 5 UI tests and 5 API tests, each covering positive, negative, and boundary cases. Your pipeline generates a report with screenshots and traces on failure. You have a traceability matrix linking every requirement back to a test. And you can present to the team 1 failure caused by the product and 1 failure caused by a test that was lying. Here's a starter prompt you can use when you ask AI for help. Tell it the role, mentor for automation testing, and your level, beginner. Ask for 1 concrete e-commerce example, then ask it to quiz you with 3 questions before giving answers. Finally, require that any generated code comes with a verification step you can run yourself. Session 00 sets the rules, 6 weeks of content, 1 learning loop, 4 AI guardrails, and a clear definition of done. Session 01 starts with the testing fundamentals, error versus defect versus failure versus root cause, the 4 test levels, and the anatomy of a test case that actually tells you when something is broken. See you there.